Mie beleva yena mie gagbo mie la pame ke mie le apame hea egale tohe ke mie la pame kple yaƒe sewɔtakpekpemenɔla bubutɔ Bernard Ahiafo ame ke le nyangtsotso ya ke vavama pame ke avenɔ alo Akachi South constituency to woga mɔnkpɔkpɔ ename be organo ŋgɔ na yo ano yo teƒe le sewɔtakpekpea aga awose de young buto Bernard Wizon.
Yo.
Alright. Nya ipata cho Avonor TV abe menye Electoral Commission me degbepa wo de ko akele nya fangle de banaji wo mi pombe ejejem kote na mata mi do dono gede no cho Avonor TV. Nya nya me gwanto dino no joji. Alright. Alabo ya kenesi o me karajibe ya ko blog bungla mi no nya mi ekpede de chebe abalia ko ina cha ko aga yigene na ma naudi salama do tro alo aga la wena ma ko na na
well alaba leo no na alaba resource yo kata ke mesa ikata mi akwa de chebe maduji le 132 police stations so kata tananda kama tuturo maduji ke majiba mazamon popo madakwa gada na maudi fo vitora moto English fo ala be fama no bova yewe ba akodada ajajinwe achima tomarako ka hamada marako ba shagwe fakpe na yehoa mawu ke nya padada bova lia yimna togbiwo klo mamao ba nebie mo ugbo mi agere upani gbaji upang toma adobo bloa oda monami imi gere upang toma adobo blo ma hina da manyo upang moda deo nya tangere upang toma da bobo nyanya ma adobo blo ajirudu ya na vasumi ashio ya tama bashagwa fakwe damno magaza mon kupo adakpa gare na constituency executive so ba mechi saji za do madonle ye ajidudu aba asu miashi kama ga dakpena branch executive kata ye ma dakpena ma shama la Akachi South constituency heka dakonam ye ba ajidudu aba asu miashi ye amabe yo ka motam dakona mo ha ya hamacho akpada dano ajidudu amanyanyera kanya ajidudu yo constituency executive kata oloji branch executive kata oloji Akachi South constituency akata oloji
honorable leke zolia ye aleke mi cho we bofi coronavirus for yam ke pekpeklo to mo gana na nyukata ja agba pomon ke mi eten mi na mi abeda show de to abo ke we believe dem nya kwa susu
ya mi wona pekpe kaka mi observe na the COVID protocol. Okay. Ado ya mi mana re hachochoma. Afi wona pekpa. Ye mi da na community so. Mi ensure na be mi observe COVID protocol la. Mi kona gbadashi. Ka kona einenu. Tada susumata mi wo team vovovo. Advanced team lani. Eka dongo ina de amogbo. Afi second team haga ina. Afi third team planedo ta akpoba na nyeba team rakalani ye team vavelia vadoa ka team gbanto ajo ka na team gbanto vavelia lani ye team totonia vadoa ka fi aba team vavelia ha ajo so at no point in time yanu crowded le ama ogbo emi kpɔna gbɔ be ameawo hã womele crowded abe leke wodze be wonɔna tsa enu space vi aɖe evana wo domi mele easy o elabe aƒenɔduawoa akatsisaƒe duawoa wo sɔgbɔ aka míedze gbagba ede ɖe sia ɖe mekloe eyi ke me míete de o meka ɖe dzi be esɔgbɔ.
Ebi ke wogawɔla ɖe leke edudzi nkawo mía nɔ kpɔna dodo aɖe le asi vovo ku ɖe heya ke NDC abe dunyagblɔ hã na wowɔ alo ŋutɔ dodo tɔxɛ ɖe le asi ku ɖe Akatsi South Ametsia ŋutɔ ŋu.
Yo akpe gbã me dzi be maze mɔnukpɔkpɔ aɖe nyame ne dukɔ katã be ne nye MP ɖe wodɔ da asi gbãtɔ enye be woɖo ɖe South akpekpe me bena va wo se alebe wodɔ da asi vevelia dze bena nya be amewo teƒe le afi ma. So you perform a representative function in addition to the legislative function. However, constitutionally, I have an oversight responsibility over the executives. Through that, me lobby now. However, in lobbying, you must lobby within the ambit of your party manifesto.
Okay.
For instance, LMIAPO manifesto of the National Apprentice Program. So, National Apprentice Program, as a member of Parliament, I have an appointment. You can have a cover or constituency. Agric mechanization program, a manifesto. Out of that agric mechanization, irrigation dam, the near a cover or constituency. So your primary responsibility is to lobby. Now, in lobbying, na my lobby, a mwakashio, you never don't burn a more. So I look at my party manifesto and try and operate within the ambit of the party manifesto, lobby for projects, and anytime at all I get the project, it is then that I will come and announce it to the people. But personally, I have plans.
Okay.
We have we have educational needs, we have health needs. We also have electrification needs. All our villages are not connected to the national grid, and all our school infrastructure has not been provided. The same thing applies to our roads. We have certain major roads that needed to be tarred, and others needed to be reshaped, and then gravel with covered at some other places. So we have sports needs.
Okay.
We also look at the issues relating to youth employment, and then the National Apprentice Program. So these are my line of thinking for the constituency. We also have other social challenges. There are a few things that we needed to do. For instance, we have a traditional council. We should be looking forward of even having a palace for the Avano paramountcy. That's also one of the things that I have been looking at. I have introduced a scholarship in Akatsi Tech. Do I introduce the same thing at Avano Senior High School, out of Akatsi College of Education? So I've been looking at some of these things. What do we do to be able to promote education generally in Akatsi South constituency, right from the basic level to senior high, and then the tertiary level being Akatsi College of Education? How do we do in order to improve upon school inspections, the circuit supervisors? How do we make it possible for them to move with ease to be able to conduct their official duty?
Okay, so MP, miakpora pata ododo yo kata ne bia adeto ma gede wo awonto nwa wodo wo nenye be Japo enyo ikenye President Pakpaji yo ole in line ble o susu ikema we be afokuku atamana manovi we wona mawa iju kan chocho vavam cho constituency of vori leke mia block be leke na obi groda pomi alo leke na atanoka pomi
bedora plenya mokpokpo nya be President John Dramani Mahama na Ruji
la be kple wi adama eke ngho yima eso eke ne seto vo be yima e ba ro agara ma na jo dola la bo mi ko be ba yivie ba placheta ko be ba nyonyo la japo
kaka ma o pa mon ba pe amato anyonyo ye ma le mo popo ma gbedum da be onyu adaku president John Dramani Mahama na luji la ba mi tofu papa gare me eke manya MP ye Nana Akufo-Addo nye president ko bono wona na ma ale ko jabana yigo in terms of bringing development project ma ina na for instance electrification project yo kata ko miela e chapoji ye ajudu ya mala prepare be award electrification project the single community yamu. So what do? They are in control. They are not even releasing the materials to complete the existing project. How much more starting a new one? As a result, Akachi South has been there for 4 solid years. No electrification project in a single village within a period of 4 years. It's a big problem. Educational facilities, you call me like Kuragadacha Poji. You can see it clearly that at Akachi Setek, the administration block, the 12-unit classroom, and then the boys' dormitory has been abandoned. If you go to Gefia, I'm saying Gefia, Lumavete, Bata, and Javaga, 6-unit classroom ongoing has been abandoned. Our hospital project has been abandoned. The road project, that is the road from Akachi to Pomava Topo Copper, Agon Poplote, Ajikama, Pojivi, Avavi to Avadapa. The same thing applies to the road from Akachi Tatoma Anta Estate, Anyam, Akbadrafo, Afacha Boulevard, Chibene, Hoti, Havi, Sweeper to cross the Baiva, Hatogodo Road at Baiva. The same thing applies to the road from Agbagba Copper, Havaji, Dagbamate to join the Chiavi Road at Apanokuman. The contractor was doing very well, but when we lost power, one could see clearly that that road has been abandoned from that time till today. For 4 years, nothing has been done about the road. Mokatanya Kohi, and I believe strongly, the government and the power, by this time all those projects would have been completed. But for 4 solid years, Akufo-Addo no power. We've been brought back. So, His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, Ale Ojibumeko, Mauna Irade, Ejinemi, Ejibudu and Avasunya, so we can perform wonders at Akachi South constituency.
Okay, going to talk about Volta region being bank of NDC. Ejejema long chocho ke ba vanfia ejejem ko abe le khokho ikpajia Peter Amawu ekenye energy minister egbagbaje ya hositia eke minyabe le parliament alo fufupo de shada habobo no nanyi vovo lo mahi parliament Volta caucusly alo lo jono na mari evazu ebli bubuvage chaka blere leke mi Amawu.
Well, no jono na ma Maten caucus meeting cry the premium because we ma poinya be tamia onya Volta OT. We had about 26 constituencies. About the 26 constituencies Amarakaruji, Kenya Michael Jato. Nimako Michael Jato la Volta caucus meeting because he doesn't see himself as belonging to us. The caucus meeting at the premium. So in the unlikely, very remote and far-flung event, but Amawu, I believe similar thing is going to happen.
So how do you see Amawu winning? Or were you anticipating the Jiduga, or is it something just came out of hard luck?
Well, at the end of the day, I have this belief that elections are won before elections are held. That before the election. We've seen a bit of a challenge at Hohwe constituency. I've personally been there and have looked at the trend there were some element of tribal issues setting in because people feel Amawanya Agbivio, Kaka Professor, Ya Cho Sala, Lolobi, Akpafu, and Sandro Kofi, Ya Cho Afima Wodi. So some people are not having the sense of her belonging to them. That why he caught to Koraha and why he caught. Kaka Supreme Court came out clearly to say that once the form of Akata are together, before the primary was conducted, Albamu created a separate constituency, that the Pavu, they cannot say she belonged to a separate constituency, so she's qualified to contest the election. That some dynamics are there. That when I went there as a member of parliament, politically I sensed a danger, but we were all hopeful that she was going to win. She was going to win, though Amawu was throwing a lot of money. But still, with the results I hear, Amawu is leading by 25,000 votes, but they've not mentioned all the votes. Particularly, they mentioned the Hokwe, Aban, rural votes are not yet pulled in.
Okay.
So it's the end that justifies the mean. Tanya talk already. Lamuwa amake ajiruga.
Still at hopeful.
Still hopeful. But it's possible, but Professor Margaret
It's very, very possible.
Yes.
Okay, Honorable, still at home, what's the impact of Amawu's victory on the NDC family in Volta?
Well, it will have no impact because if out of 18 constituencies, MPP bought the car, it is, for me, it is insignificant. So
don't you see it as basically setting in?
Well, I will not see it like that because it's one out of the blue moon. And it's something that has taken everybody by surprise.
Okay.
So next time, I believe we'll be able to sit up to recapture because it has ever happened before. Michael Jato took us by surprise and won the seat. And now we've been able to recapture that particular seat. So in the event of Amawu, all we needed to do is to go back to our drawing table and get our seat back.
Okay, so trooping in from unconfirmed sources from the Electoral Commissioner, a bit about 30 seats moving to NDC nationwide. You realize the NDC got seats at home. You can sit at home, lose by your truck on fake. Then we a black tongue legivoina. And then I make me MPO and the last time, yes, minority leader Ronald Idrisu Blobe Yokowe Sitaro Yokoge. The Manana and you near Dobe Yokoga, Hanyan and Amawupani Yodomataraka.
Well, a power na alam Kurania, Sitaro, me lose a Majava, me lose a few. Vodada Vivia Rope, never me lose a city. And as a caucus, we work towards correcting those mistakes that we're sure but this time around though politics say kaka me karaji la me achieve sit moda me poke back because me political analysis from 1992 till today I love me put the a party with majority seat in parliament emerged producing the president. Okay. In the UK they run the parliamentary system such that they don't vote for the prime minister. The party with majority seat in parliament, the leader becomes the prime minister. Okay. But we are doing something like a presidential system of government tilt towards the US model. Kakame Pwede she got a party with majority seat in parliament produces the president. So the focus should be more
maybe in a rare case would be 1979.
Yeah. But that's what I'm saying from 1992.
Oh,
if you look at the trend from 1992. So we needed to work more on securing more seats in parliament, through which we'll be able to produce the president.
So it was tactical.
So we started working towards this for some time. Some of us, for instance, Odomi Meyire Teparo Ada constituency ado. Afima Boma Vafia for campaigner Mano Bolga for some time. Afia Bove Afia. Part of the responsibility is to go around, talk to the people as an innocent person, a Bolga who is not known, to be able to determine some few things. We'll come back to the drawing table and see how best we can put measures in place towards salvaging some of those seats. So we really work towards it, and it's yielding the results.
MV, not to hold you too much, what do you see as a member of parliament? What do you see in parliament should NDC emerge having majority seats and the presidential goes to the NPP?
Well, with the system of the whip system that we have, it may really create a difficulty. It may really create a difficulty because when the political party decides to crank the whip, you can't do otherwise. If you are a member of parliament and a decision is taken to crank the whip, you cannot do otherwise. So we may see more of such things that happened in 1979. When it happens that you have a minority by emerging as the president. And I look forward not to having such situation.
Won't it be a nice experience?
If two elephants are fighting, it is the grass that suffers. So when it gets to that particular level, it may affect the country as a whole. It may affect the country as a whole. So a balancing situation will be okay. Not the over like what we have in 2016, 106 against 169. That one is too much.
Yes.
And you realize that the majority was more or less taking liberty for license. They have the numbers, so they can decide to.
Is this something you guys cry about mostly?
Yeah, it was a serious thing. But we try as much as possible to be winning most of the debates. Some of us will even have to work extra to be able to cover the vacuum. You know, if you don't have the numbers, you should be able to work very hard to be able to match up. Because at even the committee level, whatever percentage reflection you have in parliament, that is the reflection even at the committee level. So, you know, in politics, though majority will have their way, but minority will have their say, and it should be the same at the committee level. So you realize that most of the reports that are presented in parliament, we have a minority view based on the report. Sometimes it's unanimous or a majority decision, but when we feel very strong against the position, like Ajapa, we'll definitely have a minority view.
Sure.
You understand? And because they have their numbers, they'll push it through. Just like what happened in Ajapa. We decided not to take part in the voting because there's no way back which we will agree on whatever the MPP was planning to do. So our best option is to walk out for them to decide what they want to do so that posterity can judge us right. And I believe on that occasion we were judged right by the posterity.
Sure. Me that no wala kana ka poto mi akom la ave not TV. Me je do pito here won pele mi afere se wata ko me no la bu to Bernard ahafo. America la kodada mo chongu ekele mi afere ekponoji la fia ega jejem ku ekobe ega ejiaji noge anno mi atopele se wata ko ma la Kachi South constituency ke mi je do ma quickly honorable nyamanya na won to lo paji a osoforo alo choma polaro puma no be ejiduge alo majidugo nke alo wo save ade alo wo akodada patare kene polare kene pobe ejiduge nenama leke nke na pole pool play prediction ya o prophecy play ya o mere nke na po aba politician.
Well, mahoma wujisa ye bibla Emelerashi I'm even an elder in the church, Apostolic Vision Church in particular. Nyama yire suse araka gbofia ba na kpoma namba majirugalo alo nyama jirugo kakana na ulia mahia ba na yire nkala gbo ba na kamune avira nya bare anuya ama vagalo alo ma ama vago to gbo ba mi la opposition ha ma wodo atradi ye manya ba dola da shada ajane ba fachu ye nyama fachu araka ji cho adoyo kata kama wonchio ka bohua manyaba agbona agbalo gberuga akachi safto ho dagle fachu choga adakwena tama pwede je sheboku ho dagle fachu ha ada akwena ala ba nyama na na kafia akona nkpadodo kovane na akachi saf constituency mi kata me ta kpoba you conduct a census in the city of Ghana as to the MPs who are doing very well. At the end of the day, yeah, I put the Jessiba and Yenya among my Vienna Leala, Amalofa of Blandrevo Atom. Ye Ogavaka, we are Porabari, who are the most vocal MPs in Parliament. And Yella Rupa Wolia, Lamalofa of Blandrevo Atom. A Makatama Yabanyato or Opum, Osen, Le Yangaglas do la Parliament and Numa de akwagbajeje madoka play evu yako project v aba project makala liver ga pokop yoga le problem and aplo evu miava ade achi vudo the power ikaba government matam numu kata omu manyaba atuko akpom asi jemi aleka mashama ka ko problem arrive kliko majina pa mauna na cho anchi na mata tatau ha emia asedali I believe strongly all sacrifices opon ta odo election e jifia as an opposition MP o nya opponent particularly MPP o daganto o ma enu aka jikosala shinya ba oponya do da jeshi ta jirudu agbona shinya suga ye o dakore anti ha jirudu abaso ashinya because actually kaba yikura wono zama gagba I disagree ga cheshi to uno mama kaka mito kama the result is very reflective.
All right. We understand.
Aja clearly chokonga jaba dole ko aja na kwada.
Talking about being vocal in Parliament, we understand the Plola Shada strategy Kokok Plonamo Elivo. I'm a original your work behind the scene. I'm a original your nongo. You're the chamber your will of Doji. Dumaviaro o di Bobloma, Robraba, you more Sena, Honorable call Ghana Niamu o NDC o Jeshila National Fair of MP. Doctor Punang le new Parliament play or Duruki de Nyama Baleaka Okuja to Plato Waneno. For Afi reports Mava.
Well, for Ajavananyo Dodashi. Na o Dakono aba Sawata Papa Mayilana. A Nubanto Kubana or in our duplosser. Ye a duplosser, one in a radio station. Umu wana tuproshi la tsala television station o representative function ya ka perform gena la parliament ina perform gele oversight responsibility ya parliament ina perform gele ya tananya bana be anya ba ya pa MP ya adoya yo dashine ya awo ma tradielo aloma wo mu ha ni na ba parliamentary hazard na pika hazard afima in a contribution MPs over contribution pogale maglane ba anya benada here for nyamala prepare ba ma ba khafa na media raka ai TV station aba khafa ba na ma ba wo show la TV station alo adia ma da ba na no social media work wo na ma au nyanya ma woni na mo ala ba adoika atuko adashina na constituent adashina ma ina na yi sawata kokoma na veo ese ye nya tepe ameyoka di na chava na sawata kwakwa ma na no nyira fuma na nuoji ma wote kona nye contribution asa na nye contribution yata research ya ko wa umo yi radio station arakabe ya researcher after come out to the various positions of the MP. So they conducted the research out of the parliamentary Hansard, which is a record. Hekena no the parliament na pepe o capture the Hansard man. Whatever you say, whether it makes sense or it doesn't make sense, it will be captured by the Hansard. So it is the parliamentary Hansard that will have to speak of you as a member of parliament. Akajonabe Amaroa, they may not get the opportunity to make their points in parliament. So I just want you the media to make those points. So people should stop using radio and television as a yardstick to judge whether the person is performing efficiently and diligently in parliament or not.
Okay. Before I take
but my own is one of the difficult aspects. Ta media ntonto ha mala interested ta akoba nanyebo mi asawom yodo public gallery na po public gallery akoba the pressman o kata odorale afima nyamanya na ba ni awomiela the mo gomasemu yatai omucho da kalamaro. So you realize that if you go to write a statement and you are presenting a statement, yes, they put camera on you. But what is a statement? A statement is a prepared speech. You understand? Yeah. Which everybody can do. But to be able to make a difference, a good parliamentarian should be able to stand on his feet, think on his feet, and do submission on the floor of parliament. Yeah. You need to contribute on the floor of parliament. So I realize the media is more interested in social issues rather than the real work of parliament. Sometimes it is sad that out of 275, when it comes to the core, the real work of parliament, you will see less than 15 people sitting down there doing the work. That's why mostly the majority leader will go mention the name of 7 people, including Bernard Ahiafo. That once those people are on the floor of parliament, it's comfortable, we can proceed with legislation. So sometimes few of us will be doing the work of 275 people. But it's an area that if you take special interest in it and you understand the rudiment of the game, you can really enjoy it. But if you don't follow it meticulously, you'll be cut off.
After my honorable, ever foot the Ola Rashad, Jennifer Akbadada, Kachi South, I would then over the river too. For how long in Akbadada and Kachi South?
Oh, well, I'm a for me. Kaka man no mako komo ba mano parliament kaka akwa maga akuda parliament au keke ama kawai tanenya ba wana dorom na do fiare ko ajaba na nyamba do mahia mara temba aba we awu ale no at the point que mawu jiba na we asaroko no one will say afmako. You need to give opportunity to another person to come and continue.
MP for the first time MP organic minister and Maruko MP and minister
Akati Safa Marakamako ministerial position for Kaka who gone to a position of being number 3.
Yeah.
That is a speaker of parliament. Yeah. It is quite a remarkable position because after the president and the vice president, the next person is the speaker of parliament. It's a high office for that matter. So it's an honor bestowed on Akati Safa constituency. So Mau Pashime, me as a member of parliament, whatever responsibility that my party has given me, I believe strongly that I will perform that particular responsibility. No shall no Mau Bochuna, no Yamau Pajiji, but na Mahamadu Jifia, or Damrafia Mau Donner party, I would on Ghana do call. Well, I would accept it in good faith and hope to work creditably and reliably to merit the confidence reposed in it.
All right. Me that when I got to Nyabo have not seen Nyabo the much to Pierre, Nyabo, former Alo Nyamo Mafia Oto, Agaremiaji Kenya, Uto Samuel Wadi. Then I Jerudo play, Aleka Udo Baji, who have you Rado, Akpayama, we are in Philip Kwamisaba. et que mes gens pour le mien pour la Avenant TV.
Avivia de la signe, Tibe Magina Avenant TV. Avivia de la signe, Tibe Magina Avenant TV.
Agonami, nkonyenye Sera Music, mekpona Avenant TV, hesiayi.
Lelele.
Alright, me da bana ga koto le nya go le Avenant TV e ke abale mo dum bana me na me go e ke me go afa me ko le nya ba mo mafia wo koto bubuto Samuel Boadi e ke fie ni alo flong ya ma nya Alhaji to bi Samuel Boadi e ke o ga na pie ko be ahon ple bubuto famous match ya me ke nye NDC party afa gbongla de ka ike gbogbo le zaji gbogbo we jidudu ya bavam na NDC alo aflaga dunya glo habo bubuto mya wezo mano bo ya ka bata Alhaji bubuto leke zoli azoi leke zoli akataba yi mano bale ona na channel dolele ya kole to gere mari leke miyi
no akwa na Avenant TV aba ni uba ni la vivina makuvize mura nilena despite dolela li kaka eyo nyebo nyaba mia abliho alwa campaign na mia pa sauta kwa kuma ilana duji kaka la party kata mi coupon mi dolela li kaka mi moto agbaja vado egba ikemi njeje kon
udo bise ba wa Alhaji ko manya mu nyana dona ga shaga mu de garo mi na doni agba ga nya ga nka mu baraka
agba shoba ni ko jiru ta to magara moro
udo waji mragoleki zoniade nsosoro ya lova foklin woro mi dogola mojia na agbaba jebe jiru na varia foklin kawe mi dogola moji
la mio mi agodia mi nya ba mi otokara empia woto ta jiru ya ro ko la bobo la ni manya na kai ka sesekro ala ba to boba foklin aro amaro toga gbe aza bentwa menya alisagwi ya mama mona mo ga kra ma o fo di ya ya mi nya mi o to ta mo popo ali na mi e me buji ha
wadi aleke akoda dama chumu imefia enenye momofia woto aleke ono koyo ke va yi player wa va fia NDC ke eva so ta pa ma pa jipigera hon de la mo ko ma ba nyaku so ta pa mo no la ne NDC ava subo awu MPP to yero jona na mari ne bombe mahama adujalo nanado aga nya president ke
o ima ala ba ye pomo ko ba je mi aduji o ba no problem ko mo de na job no mi gata mi pomba ale no ime mi sito ko ga subo ikaba na ba ye pa president ko to na aduji ikaba na bana aduji mi o dimo social democracy o mi nye de mi aduji mi pona go am play talk ke ka na paguma mi nya capital isu talma time chama na po ko mi dafia na po ba e mi jam ko ngolo ko ko beto chudema apigara akodaga ugato kutako
magabono ko alaji le mia pozoni ya zozo ma 292 alo cho keke 79 novai vari pasha palo akoda de zonia lo trona alo ali o le chugo ma de jama mia ko ku be 292 ko ala ma ko le mi mima alo zonia trona
no akoda da de sere plepa ipa do mi ona stano miza chaba ya meza migalvio sabu wi ona be aza okutoko kama no vio de jiruga ke mi oro kumi managa ikunye mi tuvule mi onya kumi gona we talk about issues na mo usagu manemi
mutomachi leke nki ai ke we be na be na ko be nyafa akachi south ya oku de ade joya party ya nve vie na ma cho party bu ika cho tamia ko na beja ko dada ko nki na ko bite ko NDC ako lechi da jama NDC ako
apa lanya ka forma NDC party ya kami jago mo fia 1992 ma afu papa yo ma mieto kaka ye miapa former president amenya Jerry Don Rawlings aba ko du ko ya o revolution araba yake ga ko du ko to de democracy nui ko e po ba ayi abo ye na ba du ko gbogbo ti tere party àwọn èèyàn o wona untepa NDC party o wona untepa ajina bi ko mo bi ko agbonono ni o ko wona bi ko mo bi o ojoji no wo ya ngo ido o klore yanya baca goma to revolution bi kula
alaji
ko bi kula alaji ji goma to revolution manye peto kwa pime ka manye peto lo pime ya to wo na mo la mo ba amaya ba UMP wa ba UMP ye wo to ko kwa na
tala male be UMP kwa jo ba ko
o ka jo na ko na mo kwa mo ya to bi da ga mo na ko na ko ba la ko wo ni ha tanami brunya ko ko se no ala ba bibo ma ba na de kwa mana ko de akobro ni we bona ni ta kuna ra party ya preji
mama fia buto wala ga be mi badomra be NDC na aduji alo ale ke mi badomra be NDC na aduji le tano kwa ke mahama na aduji yesa ba mahama ke na wa ma wu wona ungo fi mahama ba jojo ba joyi o hana bazu jojo la ele mo ko ba ne be party aga trouble ke mahama trouble ni o kana go dadi mata unwo na yi aso mom aba awun aba mom fi na akachi south constituency
ya president apa prerogative le president apa ma ga ba wo do na fa
do aba ma da kana fi ari do anya wo di be aga ya lo no ngwa ba na fi o ya atiko
osbo ma le ko po sila ni chimo de na gimi
alaji akuna ga jama singiro
osbo ma le ko po na sila anyi chimo lili na da glimu
ara jodo okay akpe ke abale ke jijo ko qualify na bien da pe mi nya do do no na mi ale ke mi kukutri nya pa papa je o kata o eche ko mi da pe na mi la Avenon TV ale mi be mi awo yo mi nya pasi na mi awo yo no le mi ga na mi a de nya ga yo mi ale ke che baba nya ji de muta mi je mi ado chi to vie ka kale che ga to ha nyakata mi le ezala me
Okay.
akpe gbogbo na mi
Akpe na
le nya de gbedasha la shi o ate ma pe ne nya fa mu
Badashi la she kuni ba ni da kobo. Mono global after politics at yes life. Ta mi kata na mi luje monya na mi kama rumu.
yeah
Peace na no ni.
akpe Mr Famous nya kenya nya mamne
Oh, ya ma block ya. Ako dada le mo le ni ma. No ma yo bi ji oko. To ko na pere ama ya bi ji ni. Araba do na na ko. Apere manya ba o bi ji oko na bo ya e gba e ma to re kala mu. Ka lo ko nya wo re ka fi ya. Aku du ko ya. Plan ti ba.
alright mi ta ko na alhaji ya hon ble kingmaker bo lu nya gbo mi edo je ya to bi eza chi chi be mi ta ko no bale bo blo ba no di kutri kumba zu ko mana nyu ni ano dia la no tv ke mi agbaje ni ado bo nya sha nya na sala ka ti sa bo si se do bo ka ke ha ma mi aji de mutala mi adoshi youtube ka ka ma ga fo mi la bo ga no mo ko na mi ma ji go mi ga tro ga bo ayi wona oji ne nya ko be afike wona ya ngo nye philip ka mi saba akpe na obana ko to ga la nya bo Avenor TV